Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you an orange and brown summer eyeshadow look. It's a cut crease look that also is kind of a halo eye look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching and I'll show you. Starting off, I'm going to be using a flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's a golden, almost like a champagne color, and I'm going to apply that to the brow bone. Taking a blending brush, I'm going to apply the color orange right here, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease and blend it out. When you're blending the orange out, you want to reach as far as your brow bone, a little under that. You don't want to go all the way over the brow bone, but you want to blend it out under the brow bone as much as you can. You want the color to be very pigmented, so if you do need to, you can go back in with more orange color and just blend it out. The main area of focus for the orange to be is this area right here where I'm applying the orange color. You want that color to be very eye-popping and you want it to look very, very pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other eye as well. Now apply a tape to the outer corner of your eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead with another blending brush and apply this brown color. This one is called Toasty. And I'm going to apply that to my crease right here and blend that away. When you're blending this color out, make sure you go over the crease so that you're touching that orange and so that they transition into each other. Going over to the other eye and doing the same thing. Taking the same brush, I'm going to apply this color right here called Tank. I also wet my brush with a setting spray. I'm going to just apply that on my crease also. Now using a fluffy blending brush right here, I'm going to apply this color Sorrel. Apply Sorrel to the crease and blend it out. Going ahead to the other eye, I'm also going to apply that color to the crease and blend it out. You also want to drag it down to your lower lash line. Now apply a concealer with the concealer brush. Basically what we want to do is we are going to be creating a cut crease. The trick to this is to follow the natural shape of your eyes. You don't want to go anywhere over the natural shape of your eyes. Using a flat brush, a very thin flat brush, apply the color Persimmon right here. Or you can apply a orange color or a neon orange color and apply it onto the inner and outer corners, but leave that middle empty because we're going to go ahead and apply another color there. Going ahead to the other eye, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Now for the middle that we left off, we're going to apply this color right here, Sunset. So we're going to apply that into the middle or the center where we left off. And we're just going to blend that out with both of the oranges. For the inner corners, I'm going to be taking this color right here called Soul. I'm going to use a detailing brush and apply that into the inner corners. And you want to kind of drag it inwards halfway like this. At this point, go ahead and remove your tape. Apply some eyeliner to your waterline. Apply mascara. Don't forget to apply the mascara on your bottom lashes as well. While that's drying, apply a lip liner and lip color of your choice. Also apply some eyelashes. Okay, you guys, so now we're nearly done. Right now, all we have to really do is apply some highlighter onto our cheekbone. So the highlighter I'm using here is the Tutti Frutti by Too Faced. It's called Apricot in the Act. And I'm going to use this here with a flat face brush. I'm going to grab some of that color. And I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones. And apply some on the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow area. Also, I'm going to take that pink color right here and I'm going to take it with the same brush and apply that onto my cheekbones. Apply a setting spray. Here are the final looks, you guys. watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up down below and share it with your friends and family. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button. And until my next video, everyone, please stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.